Speed doesn't come from running more. It comes from how you use the ground. Let's build that. 3 rounds, strength to spring to running. Trap bar deadlift. Drive through your midfoot. Keep your chest tall. Push the ground away. At the top, rise onto your toes. Full extension. This is your push-off. Straight into pogo jumps. Stay tall, knees soft. Let the ankles do the work. Quick contacts, tap and go. Don't sink into the ground. Bulgarian split squats. Front foot stable, knee tracks over the toes. Drop straight down, drive up through the front leg. Stay balanced. Now turn that into power. Split jumps. Explode up, switch fast, land under control. Skater bounds. Push sideways, not up. Jump far, land soft. Hold the landing. Control your hip. Don't let the knee fall in. Skips. Stay tall. Hips high. Knee up to hip height. Foot lands under your body. Keep the rhythm. Don't rush it. Into strides. Build the speed gradually. Stay tall. Relax your shoulders. Let your arms move naturally. You're not sprinting, you're flowing. Let the speed come to you. Hill sprints. Lean slightly forward. From the ankles. Drive your arms. Short, powerful steps. Push into the ground. Don't spin your legs. Push. Move through each block continuously. Rest briefly. Repeat for 3 rounds. This isn't about getting tired, it's about better movement. More force, more return. Train this, and running starts to feel easier.